Hey folks, Vic here, and I thought I'd just shoot out a quick video to show you some scalp trades that set up for the start of the week. This is Monday, November the 23rd here in North America. Well, in the evening where I am, but which is in the Pacific time zone. Anyway, just show you some scalp trades that set up in our new Forex scalping service. We had lots of people join both the scalping service, which I'm running, as well as the day trading service, which Darko has been running for the past 3 years very well. So yeah, if you're still kind of wondering what these scalp trades look like, hopefully this short video will help out. Take a look. Hey folks, Vic here, and I'm just going to show you, this is November the 23rd in North America. I'm just going to show you a few scalp trades that we took today, little scalps that exactly what we teach in the scalp service that's run live in advance, not hindsight. We show people trades in advance. This trade in particular though, I never showed it to anybody because I was still sleeping at this time. This happened during London, although people on the east coast of North America certainly could have got this because it happened around, I don't know, 6:15, 6:30 in the morning, their time. So, and I don't get up till around 8 o'clock. I'm at my computer and ready to go by 8 a.m. Eastern time, and we get trades after that. But anyway, let me just show you the trade here. Pretty obviously that we're at some really, here's a daily chart. Right up here, you can see that we're at this level of support up here, right? Which got broken and becomes resistance. Here it is on a 4-hour chart. This little low in here is really significant because of the huge move that it took off afterwards. So once it hits here, he went down, the guy that took this, and by the way, I was so happy to see somebody take this because like it takes a little bit of time to learn this. Don't kid yourself. But this guy's been doing, he's one of our stage 4 traders. He's just doing so good. And he trades both day trades and scalps. But in any event, he saw this setup in here. This is our pattern number 4. And he saw this swing down here up to here. And he saw this little intermediate move. So we get these overlapping Fibonacci levels right in here. He sold it right here. Had about a he had a really good, super good reward risk on it, but just with a real standard, exactly the way we teach, 13 or 14 pip risk, all the way down to here was over a 2-to-1 reward risk on that one as it hit this opposing level. Then that's exactly where he took profit. So far, nothing else to do on it. Excellent. And then there was one on the US CAD pair, and I did not hear of anybody picking this one up. So everybody has to write out lines on the blackboard for not getting this one. I'm just kidding. But anyway, look at this support. Would you agree that this is support and resistance and support and support? Pretty easy to see that, isn't it? On US CAD, been ranging like this. Pattern 4 is really nice for these kind of ranging markets like this. Go down to the 1-hour chart. It's easier to see. And we had this move from here up to here, and we had a retracement here. And then from this move down to here, we had an extension that matched up perfectly right around the 130.50 area. It needed a 15 pip risk. See this opposing level up here? This is an opposing level on the 4-hour chart, obviously on the hourly chart as well. And we always front run these a little bit. That, folks, was a 4-to-1 reward risk trade if you held it to this level. Now, I'm not saying everybody will, because some people will take profit at these other opposing levels. I'm just showing you the kind of potential that's in these trades. Pretty good. The one trade that I got, I showed our members today while I was here live, was on the on this pair, the euro yen. And because you can look left on up in my upper left chart, this is really good support, and it became resistance. Okay, so. And it was showed up on the you can see it on the 4-hour chart in my upper right hand sort of support, and it broke through it and was resistance here. Okay, it hit this level. We're looking for a sell in here. On the 15-minute chart, we had divergence where we had see the price going higher, but look what the MACD is doing. It's going lower, and then it qualified the way we have to qualify it. So we sold it at a 79% retracement up here with a higher stop. The stop never got hit. Look what happened though. The sell was up here, to call it 50. It was around 50, and we never got stopped out, and it came down. And when price was up in here, I told the members in our room live, not after the fact, hey, this is not doing what it's supposed to do. We've got several candles closing above our expected resistance. If we can get out for break even, take it. this is what happened, and look what happened after that. And like I say, I didn't wait till it was up here and tell everybody, hey, oh yeah, by the way, I took mine off for break even. Big deal. I tell them when it's up here. I told them I was going to take it off for break even. So that's one of the advantages of it, is that I can let people know in real time what I'm doing and why, and it's really helpful. So anyway, a couple little scalps, nice way to start off the week. And this was break even, but the other ones, for those that caught them, were beautiful little trades. And we'll see what the rest of the week brings. Thanks so much.